friends, today I'm going to show you the latest collections which we have just received for this festive season in plus sizes for men. In this video we are going to see plus size cotton pants. We have shirts, casual shirts, we have formal shirts, we also do have jeans. So let's start with the latest collections of jeans. We have jeans available in sizes 40 to 56. Wow, you heard me right friends. We have jeans up to waist size 56. Hooray! And the fabric is a super stretch lycra fabric silky jeans. The fabric, fit and finish is top class quality. Let me show you this jeans. This jeans we are seeing is size 56. I am going to show you the fit and finish of the jeans. Let's see the fitting of the jeans. The fit and the finish of the jeans is top class. You can see this. It's a nice silky denim friends. Very comfortable cotton silky denim. It is super stretch. See, it's super stretch. The jeans is super stretch. Wow, see, it is super stretch. I'll also stretch and show you at the thigh place. The jeans is a comfort fit friends. The fitting is a complete comfort fit. Plus size jeans we have all comfort fit. We don't have slim fit jeans in plus size. So the fabric is going to be super stretch. Once again I show you super stretch fabric. See, it's a very stretchable fabric. So coming to the colors, we have close to 10 to 11 colors available. All the new colors, coffee, brown, mauve, blue. We have a green shade, we have elephant grey. All the new colors available in all sizes from 40 to 56. Coming to the price, the 54 jeans is 1150. So as the price goes down, the price of the product jeans goes by 50 rupees. So of every size 50 to 75 rupees, the price decreases as it goes down. So let's say size 44, 46 jeans will cost you around 900, 925. If you want to order online, we can also home deliver to you. Just take a pant and measure and tell what your size is. I am going to show you how to measure your size. Let's see, you open your jeans, take an inch tape. See, just take an inch tape and starting from this is the inches. Behind you see centimeter, the inches. Just measure your existing jeans what you are using. See this? Just measure and tell us what is your size. Based on that we will give you your size. Just measure your jeans and tell us what your size is. See, this jeans comes exactly 56 because this is size 56. So just measure your jeans and tell us, and we can also home deliver to you. If you are staying in Chennai, do visit us. You will be very happy to see the collections. If you are staying a little far away, also do come to us and have a look friends. What we show you in the video is what you will get to see when you come to the shop. All these are genuine collections available in plus size. So moving on to shirts, we have cotton formal shirts. See, it's 100% cotton formal shirts up to size 50. All collections available up to size 50. Cotton shirts, formal shirts around 1200 to 1500. Moving on to casual shirts, we have cotton shirts from size XXL up to 10XL. What you are seeing is 10XL. All the casual shirts are pure cotton. It's a very pure cotton friends. Whenever you visit us, we can show you all the collections what you are seeing in the video. Based on the size what you want, we'll show you all the collections. We keep getting collections every 15-20 days. Lot of collections. You can also order online from us. We can deliver to you at your doorstep. Whenever you are ordering online, all you have to do is tell us your shirt chest measurement. whenever you want to order online, what you can do is, for the best way to check which size is correct for you, just open any of your shirt, take an inch tape. You have to tell us your chest size measurement. Please watch carefully. Once you give us this measurement, this will be the right size for you. We will send you the shirt based on your measurement which you have sent us. See, it starts from here. Just the sleeves are here, below the sleeve, chest measurement, all the way up to here. See, this comes 28. So whatever your size is, just tell us that this is my chest measurement. What you get here, we will send you that in courier. So the size is going to be 101% correct. You can order online without having any worries of any wrong size ordering. This is a very genuine method of knowing what the size is. Since every brand has a different sizing, let's see, this is 8XL. All brands follow different sizing. So we always maintain the chest size. What your chest size is, measure and tell us. We also write and keep the chest size. So you can be worry free. You can order online right from your home. Even one shirt also you want, we can send it to you. If you are happy, you can buy more. Not that you have to order 5 shirts or 10 shirts. Even one shirt also you can order. So the collections what you are seeing is all pure cotton. We have all the collections available in plus sizes. I'll show you some plain colors also, friends. See, all this is big size. Price of casual shirts 1150. We have 950. All price ranges available. We have 825. So it's a complete mixed prices, and everything is pure cotton, friends. You can see everything is pure cotton. So next, let me show you some cotton pants. We have plus size cotton pants from size 40 up to size 56. Everything is pure cotton. Let me show you the fit and finish. The fitting is totally top class. It's a nice pure cotton. See, again, this is also stretch. See the way it stretches. See, it's stretching. See, it's super soft. And the thigh portion also, this is a nice comfort fit. You're going to be very happy with the fit. It's a nice soft cotton, satin, smooth feel, friends. We have some lovely colors, grays, browns. We have black, blue, ash color. We have the biscuit color, fawn color. Plenty of colors available. Cotton pants around, we have 1095, 1150. Very affordable pricing, friends. Plus size you get at Shahenshah at very affordable pricing. Do visit us once and you will be surprised to see such good collections you're getting at very reasonable prices. What we are showing you in video is what you will get when you come to the shop. Do visit us, friends. Thank you. I'll bring you back with the next collection very soon.